Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will begin by verifying the physical connection and the system's detection. This step avoids chasing phantom issues. First, check HDMI/display port and any adapters. Make sure the external screen is powered and set to the right input. Then open Settings, go to System, and choose Display so you can see how Windows enumerates monitors. Once done, identify whether Windows shows two identical displays. This is the duplicate symptom. You're now positioned to change the display mode and driver settings. Now you'll switch modes and adjust drivers to force Windows to reevaluate outputs. In display settings, set the multiple displays option to extend, apply it, then switch back to duplicate. This often resets the link. If duplication persists, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, update the driver, or roll back to a known working driver. That resolves many firmware-level quirks. Also click Detect and Identify in display settings to ensure Windows maps each physical screen correctly. These steps realign software with hardware. Finish by locking in the correct mode and confirming stability. Set duplicate only when you see distinct device names and correct resolutions. Restart the PC with only the external cable attached to force single display negotiation, and make sure both screens report proper resolution and refresh rate. If problems remain, swap cables and ports to rule out hardware faults, and consider system restore to return to a prior driver state that worked. If everything is correct but intermittent, check for graphics driver beta versions, avoid them for stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.